Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to install plugins to your WordPress. So let's begin. Of course, if you already have WordPress up and running in your local computer, if you don't, you can check our other tutorial where we show how to install it locally in your computer. So after that, you can go back and just check this tutorial. So okay, the first thing will be to, of course, open our WordPress dashboard. So in my case, once I already have the local WordPress installed, I can click here on WordPress admin. After that, it will go up to this screen where it says dashboard. So simple to install plugins in this in WordPress. So we need to go to plugins, and as you can see, I don't have any plugins installed, but we can go to add new plugin here. We click here. In my case, I want to install two plugins. One is called Elementor. You can hit enter there, and we click where it says install now. So after that, we'll start installing the plugin. Okay, so we need to wait. Okay, so it's installed. We can install another one which is called Ocean Extra. I'll install it now. Basically, these plugins are for more design options for you to create your website. Once we have the plugins we want installed, we can go back to plugins, and as you can see, we have it here, but they are disabled. How we know that? Because the background of the plugin is like white, but if we wanted to activate both, we can click here where it says activate, and after that we click here activate, and basically we have it. Okay, so we can go back. It's very important to enable auto updates here, and also you can click like the plugins you want to activate it, this option, and you click here auto updates disable in this case, but we're going to enable for both. And after that, basically the plugins will update automatically depending on your workflow. It is recommendable or not. Of course, if you have some issues with some recent version of the plugins, you can just uninstall them and uninstall the version you want, or you can just disable the auto updates. So basically it's that simple, guys. Thank you so much, and bye.